So there are way better people out there instead of haters who like lying and cheating and being caught doing stuff. So
I know, if you actually hit me, go, I think you're going to get away with it. Wow, you have issues. Like,
you messed up big time. That was the best damn thing that walked in your life and the best damn thing that left. So you can take all your lies you tell me every day and cram them up your ass.
here, I'll straighten her. I'll straighten it up there.
I like my straightener.
And they go.
But I like my straightener. Take the broken one.
Okay, we'll take the broken straightener off your butt. It's gonna hurt. It goes into pieces.
So yeah. So yeah, oh, and you can't tell me if I'm going to be emo or not. So basically, the whole group, Jessica, Alyssa, Misha, Carissa, Z, me, Cassandra, Jack, Chris, Daisha, Carlton, Mouse, Doug, it goes on forever. And if you mess with us,
Wait, no, not White. What's
yeah,
his last name?
White. If you mess with us, we will kill you. You talk to us again, we will kill you. Because one, you messed up my life completely, and I don't even know how you think it's gonna change everything. So all those voicemails I left you and stuff, you can take that as a roast and a diss because that's what they are. And I'm saying it right now. Quit talking to me in my group.
Bye. Have a nice day.